Across the world today, families zimekuwa frame kama rectangle na tukafungiwa kwa box kama inventory: father, mother, child. But human connection was never meant to fit into a warehouse grid, because love comes in shapes that can't be boxed and forced into one design. Tuli grow up outside hizo colonial frames, because to us family haikuwa na manual ya how to belong. Families zilikuwa na different shapes kama stars in the sky, no pattern but still shining in their own way. Some zilikuwa formed by circumstances, some by laws, where absence haiku end the story but instead ili reshape love. Families were never closed doors, zilikuwa open systems on open floors. Na because of that openness, it was never my child my problem. It was more like, huyu ni wetu hata kama tufanani. Tulikuwa raised in systems where belonging haikuwa na gate pass. Discipline ilikuwa group project. Ukimisbehave kwa njia, hauogopi wazazi peke. Unaogopa hadi jirani na mpita njia. Kuza wakutaka mtoto apotee njia. They believed that if one child rises, the whole community rises. A child didn't belong to a house. A child belonged to a circle. The circle had grandparents who became second parents, aunties and uncles who loved you loudly and corrected you louder, neighbors who acted kama community surveillance system, na anytime wangesmell a rat, wangeshare intel na wazazi. Si eti walikuwa nosi, but walitaka kulinda future yetu. Na because of that, life haikuwa solo project, because the family was big, na hata problems ili crowdsource solutions. So when we live today as a private unit, I want us to remember our roots, because tulikuwa raised kwa balcony ya mtaa where every neighbor was a family. Na policies zikituambia what family should be, lazima tuulize should be for who, because huwezi legislate belonging. We need policies that don't erase us, policies that don't shrink us to fit into one frame, because family si DNA peke. Family ni nani anabaki wakati wa shida. Family ni wale utokea na kukuall when the system fails, because if there is care, there is family, and if there is no care, then no matter the structure, it was never a family. Mike Tyson, the word heavyweight.